Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Popular actors who played transgender characters. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar is the first time playing the role of trans person in Lakshmi Bomb. In this movie, he will get possessed by the ghost of a trans woman who seeks revenge. Paresh Rawal. Paresh Rawal got huge acclamation from the audience for his portrayal of Tiku, a trans character in the movie Tamanna. This movie revolves around the life of Tiku, Rawal's character, who is a transgender. Ashutosh Rana. People still get chills while remembering the portrayal of Ashutosh Rana's character in Sangharsh. He played the role of a psychopath transgender person who was killing children to attain immortality. Johnny Lever. In multiple movies, Johnny Lever has been spotted in supporting roles and has also played transgender roles in few movies. Prashant Narayan. He played the role of a dreadful antagonist in Imran Hashmi and Jacqueline Fernandez starrer Murder 2. Prashant's character was a creepy and cold-blooded transgender psycho who was killing ruthlessly. Mahesh Manjrekar. Mahesh Manjrekar portrayed the role of Begum in Kangana Ranaut starrer Rajjo. His portrayal of a transgender character garnered him with great applause from the audience and people too. Sadashiv Amrapurkar. Sadashiv's character in the movie Sadak is still considered as one of the dreadful villains. He played the role of Maharani, a transgender character in Sadak. He bagged multiple awards for this role. Prakash Raj. Talented actor Prakash Raj played the role of a transgender Maharani who runs a brothel in Appu and gained appraise. This actor was one of the first stars to play a trans character in the Tamil cinema. Raghava Lawrence. In the movie Kanchana, Raghava Lawrence played a man who got possessed by a ghost of a transgender woman. His portrayal of the revengeful character impressed the audiences and the critics too. Riddhi Sen. Helicopter Ila actor Riddhi Sen portrayed the role of Parimal, a trans woman in the Bengali movie Nagar Kirtan. He got immense praise and also received a national award for his performance in the movie. Vijay Sethupathi. In the movie Super Deluxe, Vijay Sethupathi played the role of a transgender person, Shilpa, and received huge applause. This film Super Deluxe deals with many social issues like morality, life, gender discrimination, marriage, and many more. Whose performance do you like the most? Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.